Today we talk about how can you change your phone number on your Wake app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So when you click on your photo here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to, it's going to take you to your profile here. Go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on edit profile and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on security here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just switching to open video, so it's going to take a time to open video here. Then you click here on phone number here. So then you come to this list, just switching to open video here, add your phone number and click here on get code. So then it's going to send to you a code, then add it and it's going to change video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.